One of the great benefits of vinyl windows is that they come pre-finished from the factory. So whether you're choosing white or black or a couple different shades of tan that are offered, you won't have to worry about maintenance on it because it's pre-finished from the factory in that color of your choosing. Now, I have been asked, hey, if we do white, but then in 5 years we decide we want to paint that window black, is that an option? Sure, it's an option, but it's one that I would highly not recommend. Because the way vinyl works, if you go to paint that window, the amount of heat that's coming into that window from the exterior could potentially bubble it up or warp the window itself, especially if you're going from a white to a black. You may have better luck if you went from a black window to a white window, and they do make vinyl-safe paints nowadays, but it's still something I can't recommend because it hasn't really been proven over time to know if there's longevity to it. So I think your best bet when you're looking at a vinyl window is plan on getting a pre-finished color that you think you're gonna like long-term. If you think you want a window where you can change the color every however many years that you decide to, I would start looking at a wood window.